a wedding is exciting, but it can also be overwhelming. Countless decisions to be made and deadlines to meet. That's why hiring a wedding planner can be incredibly beneficial. Firstly, they can help you stay organized and on track throughout the planning process. They'll work closely with you to understand your vision and make it a reality. Not to mention, wedding planners have great relationships with vendors in the industry, like DJs, bands and soloists. Dependable and experienced caterers, chefs, and bakers. They can negotiate contracts and manage budgets to ensure you stay within your budget. Plus, a wedding planner can provide creative ideas that you may have never thought of. A special toast that you will never forget. Making your first dance magical. An unforgettable wedding exit. You'll have peace of mind knowing a professional is handling the details. Wedding planners also have experience handling unexpected issues that may arise on the day of your wedding. If someone in bridal party breaks down. If the bride has an accident days before the wedding. They can quickly troubleshoot and ensure the event runs smoothly. You'll be able to enjoy your big day without any stress or distractions. Hiring a wedding planner frees up your time so you can focus on other aspects of wedding planning, like selecting the perfect dress or creating the guest list. They'll relieve you of the tedious and time-consuming tasks such as seating arrangements and vendor communication and much more. In addition, wedding planners can help you prioritize your budget and allocate funds accordingly. They can also offer advice on when to splurge and when to save. And when it comes to design, wedding planners can bring your ideas to life and take them to the next level. Taking unique elements and putting them together, making a simple design look oh so elegant. Making sure the presentation of the food is amazing. Creating a design just for you. They have a keen eye for detail and can create a cohesive look throughout the event, assisting you in designing something unforgettable. Making your style and vision come to life. Hiring a wedding planner also eliminates the need for family and friends to take on stressful roles. They can simply relax and enjoy celebrating with you. Finally, a wedding planner can help minimize any conflicts that may arise, ensuring everyone is happy and comfortable. Overall, hiring a wedding planner provides invaluable support and expertise throughout the planning process, with the wedding of your dreams without any added stress. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe and click the notification button to view our weekly videos. Happy planning!